Hey guys, sorry about that. We are currently redoing this Oobleck project. My brother's in here right now, but we will be doing the Oobleck still, don't worry. So this time we have a tray underneath our tablecloth so it won't spill. But again, this is Oobleck. If any of you guys have seen it before, obviously you know. We're posting this video in 2 parts. So if you see part 2, just at random, watch part 1 before you come here and you'll know what happened. But basically, I'm taking it out of the container. It's harder than it looks, guys.
Oh, it's not gonna work there. What happened? Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, yeah. But this is Oobleck. It's a non-Newtonium liquid, or force. Non-Newtonium means it's, I'm assuming it's non-Newtonium. It means it's a liquid, but also a solid. So, watch when I hold it in my hands. It's falling off. But then when I hit it, it's stiff as a rock. Like, look. Stiff as a rock. This is like a more able to be molded thing. So like snowballs in summer. You roll it up lightly. And then it actually feels so relaxing to just let it melt in your hand. But you really shouldn't let it do that because then it'll get like... But if you want to notice, if you look carefully, watch, I'm going to let it turn into a liquid, and then when I squeeze it, it sort of turns clay-y, you know? Thank you guys again for watching. I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I think I need to add more water to this. Noni, can I have more water, please? Or you know what? Just give me a second. Do 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 do. Jordan, I'm recording a video. Guys, I'm really sorry about that. My brother, is going. By the way, guys, this is a project which kids should not do alone, by the way. Because you saw what happened if you watched part 1. Watch part 1. I just realized splitting my videos into this, like 2 parts might be better here. Anyway, this is what I came up with and ended with. Non-Newtonium liquid. It feels so much like a liquid, because look, it's literally drizzling down my arm.
So just let me I'll get you out before the nuke comes.
See, adding water was such a good idea. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. We might see you guys again, we might not, but let's hope we do. Anyway, the J of the J's. It's only me right now because I'm, my brother isn't with me right now because he ditched me to play with my other brother, so, sorry. We're going to be posting these videos really close to each other, so if you just see it, part 1, and you then see part 2 5 seconds later, that will make sense, most likely, and hopefully to you guys. But, yeah. Thank you!